I just want to say, Raji and Parini, this has been amazing every session. It was the perfect blend of yoga and meditation and breathing, plus um, understanding why we should go whole food plant based, from the recipes to the demos. In this 1 month, it's really helped me be easier on myself, because during your day to day, you are not able to always every day give 1 hour or 1.5 hours like we do during the session. We can't do it always. But I've realized that it's okay, whatever little you do during the thing, it really helps. From the start of the program to now, I'm feeling a lot more less pain, more looser, able to do much more energetic. So thank you so much. It's been really good.